What's going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today is another video about my Evo 8. As you guys know, I have the blue Evo 8 and it was at the paint shop. And I have the car back, but the bumper, it's still the original bumper. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna install a JDM rear bumper. And I'm gonna put back the Tomei exhaust because when I send it to the body shop, I send it with this exhaust because I didn't want to damage that one just in case, you know, spray paint it or something. So I had them paint me this bumper. This is how the bumper looks. It's a really good condition, and I'm gonna try to install it the right way. I ordered the brackets that they originally come on the Evos from Japan. So stay with me, guys. I'm gonna take you along. I'm gonna remove the exhaust first and then take the bumper apart, and then see I will try to show you the process of installing that. Many of you guys may know, but I want to do it the right way. So with all the license plate bracket and everything, but I have this, but this one requires this one because on the USDM it comes with a bracket right here, but for the JDM you need to put this bracket, right? But this bracket, it has to be attached to this one, and this one has to go on the car. So this one may need welded or something, and that's what I'm gonna do. And this one I think goes somewhat like that right here, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. And this one attached to the car. And also this car, as you guys know, let me lift it up. Okay, so to remove the bumper, I think everyone knows, just take the tail lights out. There is 2 screws right here, Phillips, on this side, and then the bumper has this one here, has another one right here. Remove it, and then right here from inside I think has 2 or 3, I don't remember exactly, but they go right there. Like, take this cover off and this cover off right here, and they should be on that side. And also this cover right here needs to be removed. There are some bolts, I think 10 millimeters if I'm not mistaken. So I'm not gonna show you guys all this process because I'm pretty sure you guys know. Just gonna remove it myself real quick, and then I'll show you what's under the bumper and how I'm gonna proceed with all these brackets. So the guys, actually inside right here is only 1 bolt. I didn't remember that, so now I seen it's only 1. And this one, mine was, I broke it last time when I took the bumper off, when I sent it to the body shop. So good thing that the other bumper has new brackets. So those 2, and then right here is 1 clip, bolt here, another clip, and then the other ones from the fenders, and that's it. Bumper should be easy right now to come out. All right, guys, the rear bumper is off. As you guys see, this is how it looks. It's not that bad, just some spots right here. I cleaned it, and this I'm gonna respray it. It's under the bumper, so it doesn't matter. I just want it to be resprayed. So those are the brackets that I was talking about. So these brackets, they have to go here, somewhere like that, because you see they have like where the clip goes. So actually this one goes here, and it's where the JDM bumper, where's the hole for the exhaust, there is a hole for the clip. So there you go. This one is gonna be here, and then the other one is gonna be here, somewhere here. I'm gonna test fit the bumper first, and then I'm gonna go from underneath and see which distance this one has to go. So that's that. And for the license plate, this one has to go in here, somewhere in here. I have to see which distance. It's pretty much, I think it's this side right here and here, because that's what it aligns to. I just have to play with it and see which side, or maybe I just put it in the middle like that. Yep. And then the other one goes here. So that's pretty much it. And for the lights, I got this bracket. I'm not gonna use it anymore from the old bumper. I'm gonna use only the harness because the bumper already has lights. I already installed them. There you go, guys. That's JDM bracket. I installed it already, so let me show you guys. I already installed these ones right here. I got this one, and this is the lights. This is the JDM lights. So pretty much it, just this. I have to weld those brackets in and put the bumper and see how it looks. So this is the test fit only. That's how it looks. I just noticed that this one right here is touching these plastics because this side is kind of sticking out. Has to be more inside. When I put this this license plate bracket, it's, I'm gonna show you guys right now. It's touching right here the bumper. So bumper has to go just a little bit, as you see inside. You see how much? Look inside. Has to be flat. So it's just very little has to go inside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna trim this piece right here, and this one is gonna let it go more inside to be like flat right here, and I'm gonna be able to put a clip maybe right here, I don't know, but we'll see. So let me trim this guy real quick right here, and then I'm gonna test fit it again. This is how it came out. Everything in place. Just gotta install the bumper. So all the lights are here in the cables. Goes inside the car, and pretty much done. This is the bracket how it came out right here, and this one right here. I gotta find a different paint so I can match this. That's the only one I had. Here we go. Hey guys, this is the second day as I fixed the rear bumper on my Evo. Yesterday was already too dark, and I couldn't record that much because it was in the shop and the light is not that bright. So I'm gonna show you today at the daytime how the bumper looks because of course on daylight it's better to show you. So this is how the bumper came out. It looks pretty nice with the Tomei exhaust. It aligns really good for the JDM bumper. The only thing that the tag, it stays a little bit this way because I put only one bolt. I haven't received the brackets for the bolts because the Japanese bolts, they are for the Japanese tag, they are I think a little bit closer. So that's how it stays right now because it's holding it right here. So I put a 10mm right here, it's holding it really good. But this is how it came out, and it looks really nice. I did it the right way. All the bumper stays in place, doesn't move at all. All the rivets, everything is in place. So this is how it came out. Now it's gonna be time for some rear diffuser or bumper extensions. We'll see. So that's pretty much it about this video. More upgrades coming on this car. As far as clutch, fuel injection, like injectors, pump, I'm gonna record everything and show you guys. But that's all for this video, and then I'll see you guys in the next one.